Here's a step-by-step recipe for making delicious brioche French toast in just 3 minutes. Ingredients: 4 slices of brioche bread, about 1 inch thick, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup milk, whole milk or any milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional, pinch of salt, butter or cooking oil for frying, maple syrup, fresh berries, or powdered sugar for topping, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat your griddle or skillet, 30 seconds. Place a griddle or large skillet over medium heat and allow it to preheat while you prepare the French toast mixture. Step 2. Mix the batter, 1 minute, in a shallow bowl, crack the eggs and whisk them until well beaten. Add the milk, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, if using, and a pinch of salt to the eggs. Whisk everything together until well combined. This is your French toast batter. Step 3. Dip the brioche slices, 1 minute, dip each slice of brioche bread into the egg mixture, making sure to coat both sides evenly. Allow any excess batter to drip off. Step 4. Cook the French toast, 30 seconds per side. Add a small amount of butter or cooking oil to the preheated griddle or skillet and spread it evenly. Place the dipped brioche slices onto the hot griddle or skillet. Cook for about 30 seconds on each side, or until they turn golden brown and slightly crispy. Step 5. Serve, 30 seconds. Remove the cooked brioche French toast slices from the griddle or skillet and place them on a plate. If desired, top with maple syrup, fresh berries, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. And there you have it. In just 3 minutes, you'll have a delicious plate of brioche French toast ready to enjoy. Customize it with your favorite toppings and serve it as a delightful breakfast or brunch treat.